Welcome guys to Kizzy and Company. I'm doing pork neck bones. I've washed them and cleaned them, clean the bone, the back of it and everything. Here I'm going to season them with a little bit of sage. I have some garlic, some pepper, and an allspice. So I'm going to season these thoroughly. I'm going to use my hands because they're clean and this is my food for my family, so nothing wrong with it. Everything seems to be coated already. Now, of course, this is going to need a gravy. So, a lot of people don't do it, but I do it. I lightly coat. Some people pour it right over in there. I don't want to do that. Try just to keep down the mess. Lightly coated in some cornstarch. Just little pieces. And I'm going to brown them. Okay? Once I finish browning them, I'm going to remove them and cook my vegetables, which is onion, bell pepper, and excuse me, potatoes that's going to go in here. Okay. So I'll be right back to show you guys what it looks like when it's all browned and yummy. Alright, so we've browned these beautiful, beautiful little pork neck bones. Now we're going to get all them good bits about the bottom of the pan with the onions and bell pepper. Look how I just clean the pan up. Well, my catch. Remember, guys, say thank you. I don't always put potatoes in it, but I had these potatoes cut up from last night. Supposed to use them in my omelet, but I didn't. And sometimes people do put potatoes in their neck bones. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this down, and then I'm gonna add the neck bones. Well, I'm going to do my gravy, then add neck bones. So, I'll be right back. Ooh, it smells good again. So, we have smothered them in gravy. They're not quite done yet, but I just wanted to show y'all before I got busy doing something else. But, they'll cook. I'm going to let them cook another hour or so, low, and checking on them periodically. But, those are your neck bones. And I'll be back to plate everything up when it's done. Peace. I'm gonna plate my neck bones. I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. Ooh. Let's add it right there. Ooh. Lovely. I'm gonna find me a potato and put it on there. This cooked about an hour and a half. And there you have it. Earlier I also did turkey drumstick legs, and I let it cook down, and we use that as a gravy to put on our rice. And that's it. Some lima beans, green. We in there. Boom.